And so being proud of your spiritual heritage, being proud of your Igbo identity has a lot to do with your soul. Understanding the core essence of your soul. Not just about understanding your culture, which is an integral part of it, like I said, because your culture, your tradition has its roots, has its affiliations with your spirituality. But understanding it on an individual level and not just as a collective. It's not a trend. You know, it's not just to sound cool, it's not just to sound like an intellectual person. It's for you to understand deeply that this is who you are, and this is why you are here. And this era that we're in, this is actually what is going on. Because I always say in my Facebook team, there's a warfare going on. A lot of people do not understand. Because the moment you arrive into this world, understand that there's already like programs against you. And those programs attract your mentality, they attract your spirituality, they attract your person. And that's why you are introduced into a system that has nothing to do with you. You are introduced into a culture, a lifestyle, a heritage that has nothing to do with you. And then, a lot of people, because you are born into a certain religion, immediately you're into that religion, because you've not gotten to a certain level of acknowledgement, let me put it that way, you begin to attach yourself to these things, and then you identify with it. But at the long run, you will still be who you are. You are still who you are. And the moment you are awakened to this thing, the moment you are awakened to this personality, because you're awakened to this conscious awareness of who you are, it begins to reflect. There must be changes. Your perspective changes. And your perspective mirrors your intention. And your intention mirrors your perspective. And your perspective is how you see what you see, how you see your cultural roots, how you see yourself as an Igbo person, how you see your family. A lot of people associate evil things with their background. And I don't even try to I've tried to understand that, and I still don't get it. Why you should associate everything that bad happening to you as something to do with your foundation. It doesn't really, it doesn't speak well. And the relationship with and within yourself is one of the most ruthless struggles we face. And it is so because of the era that we are living in. It is so because of the era that we're born into.